Want to know how to discover shops and search for shops in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Best Buy application. So we have also created a video on how to install Best Buy and more videos on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So you should be under your home right here once you have logged in. And in order to discover shops right beside home, you should be seeing shop right here. This is simple like that. So now once you've clicked the shops, here you can see the shops that you can discover. So from products and services, you can also search right here on the top and then just simply search for it. So you can just simply select TV and you can just simply select televisions, a large ones or smaller ones just like this right here, and you'll get that product accordingly just like this right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily search for shops or discover shops in Best Buy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.